day is rainy day.
We are the Group 4, and we are here to report the statistical treatment using one-way ANOVA test.
This is the K terms. So K is the number of treatment conditions, N is the number of scores in each statement, and N, total numbers of scores, DF is the degree of freedom, and T is the total for each treatment condition, G, sum of all scores in the study, and SS is sums of squares. This is the step and computation. Statistical tool use, one-way ANOVA test. Second is formula, F equals mean squared treatment over mean squared within. Computed value, F equals 9.50, and the fourth is critical value. Standard deviation equals 0.05, table F equals 5.14. And the fifth is decision. Reject null hypothesis and fail to reject null hypothesis. And the sixth is interpretation. There is a significance difference of test scores in the three groups. You may ask where I get this is from this. So there are three groups, the lecture, discussion, and online. So in the lecture, is have an x sub 1 and x sub squared. So in x sub 1 is have 82, 85, and 84. And x sub 1 squared is 6,724, 7,225, and 7,056. So you may ask where I get this is from this in x sub 1. So you multiply the 82 to 82 to get the x sub 1 squared. So 82 times 82 is 6,724. So the step in lecture is the same from discussion and online. To get the mean, you want to add this to and divide it 3. So 82 plus 85 and plus 84 is, and divide it 3 is 83.67. So this is the mean of lecture, and this it's the same from discussion and online. Vince Marikit will explain this. Vince, come in.
So the next step is to find the sum of squares of lecture, discussion, and online. So to solve the sum of squares, just use this formula that given. So the x sub 1 squared is 21,005, and the x sub 1 is 255 to the power of 2 over 3. If you're asking what is 3, it is the number of score in each statement. And as you can see, we just solved it, and the answer is 4.666. But we will just use 2 decimals, so just round off it, so it will result to 4.67. Just the same as the discussion in online. It's the same formula but different number. The answer of discussion is 2 and the online is 2. Okay, let's continue from this table. The first we need to solve is the sum of square total. Why? Because it's the most efficient, and yes. The formula is x sum of x squared minus g. The g is sum of all scores in the study over n. The big N is the total number of scores. So you may ask where to find the sum of x squared. Just simply add this sum of x sub 1 squared in the lecture, discussion, and online. The answer of this total is 64,383. And the G is 761. And the N is 9. So, come here. So distribute them. 64,383 minus 761 squared. Don't forget the exponent 2 over n. The answer of this side is 64,346.78, and the total of sum of square is 36.22. And then next is to find the within treatments. The formula is the next we solve is the within treatments. So the formula is sum of all squares. So we just add all the sum of square we solved earlier, the 4.67, 2, and 2. The answer is 8.67. And the last one we need to solve is the between treatments. The formula is sum of squared total minus the sum of squared within treatments. So come here. 36 minus 22 minus 8.67. As you look, it's very easy, right? The answer is 27.55. So that's why this is our answer. Okay, the next we solve is for degree of freedom. Here are the formula. The formula of degree of freedom for between is k minus 1. K is number of treatment condition. And for within, big N minus k. Big N is total number of scores minus the number of treatment condition. And for the total, big N also the total number of score minus 1. So here are the solution for total 9. If you may ask, where is 9? So let's see for the given. Big N equals 9. K equals 3. So big N is 9 minus 1, 8. And for that is for total. For between, K minus 1. K is 3. So just minus it by 1, 2. And for within, big N minus K. Big N is 9 and K is 3. So 6. And for MS, MS stand for mean squared. So here are the formula for mean squared of between and within. And here are the solution. So MS between equals 27.55. If you're asking for what is 27.55, that is what we solved earlier, the sum of squared of between. Okay, over 2. 2 is the degree of freedom. So the answer is 13.775. But we just use 2 decimals, so just round off it. It will become 13.78. And for within, it's the same as between. Just distribute the sum of square and the degree of freedom. The answer is 1.445. So round off it will become 1.45. And for F, the formula is MS between over MS within. Here is the solution. MS between is 13.78 over the MS within, which is 1.45. So the answer is 9.50. And the last one is F table. If you're asking where we get that, is from this. So the degree of freedom is 2, then 6. Just point them where they tugma. So 5.410. That's why the answer is 5.410. And that's all. Thank you.
Let's proceed to the guide question. First, why did you choose that particular inferential test? So, because it is already given and it is very suitable statistical treatment for this 3 group, because ANOVA is used for comparing 3 or more groups. Second question, what does your result tell you about your hypothesis? The result tells us that our hypothesis in this scenario is that is rejected the null hypothesis. Therefore, there is significance or difference between these 3 groups. Last question, how does hypothesis testing help researchers make decisions? hypothesis testing help researchers make decisions by providing a systematic, objective framework to evaluate a claim using sample data.